Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Today's video is a Zontes 310M scooter. How to change the front brake pads. It's in English subtitles for you. Please pause the video if you need to. There's only one section of this I would change. The pad pin that is taken out now, I normally clean off. Then add some bearing grease to the pin. Bearing grease doesn't move, it won't go near the pads or anything. It doesn't. Once you put it on, it stays there. That's called bearing grease. The only other point I'd like to mention, usually to push the pistons back so you can fit the new pads because they're bigger, you would have to take off the top of your brake master cylinder. Otherwise you won't be able to push the pistons back because there will be no air gap for the oil to go upwards. Brake pads are readily available from your Zontes dealer, or you can get aftermarket brakes from EBC if you're looking EBC online on their catalogue. Nice simple job for you to do. It's nice and steady, you can easily do the job in an hour. It's nice and steady, it takes your time, it's easy to do. Pause the video when you need to read the steps of doing the job. Take your time, have the proper tools, and it's very easy to do yourself. This is Man Mick, I'm going to sign off now. Please like and subscribe and join our journey. Over 1,500 videos now in our playlist on all the different models of bikes. Take a good look over there in our playlist. This is Man Mick, sign off. I'll see you all later.